Walking down the street, are you attracted by the smell and by bread irresistibly? The delicious bread conveys not only the bakery chef's skill, but also the professional machinery and equipment. As a baking equipment manufacturer with more than 40 years of experience in Taiwan, we continuously innovate and develop various professional equipment, becoming the most reliable and trustworthy partner of bakeries and breakfast shops. 75% of the toast used in breakfast shops in Taiwan is produced by us. We have 5 production lines, which are sweetbread, sliced toast, loaves, hot dog buns, breadcrumb, and bagels. We are certified by ISO 9001, CE, and TÜV. We also have the ability to help customers plan turnkey plans and provide solutions to factory machine problems. To build better equipment, make baking more efficient, and produce perfect finished products, we innovated Taiwan's first twin twist mixer.
The biggest feature of this mixer is with 2 twin twists. Its special angle and curve mix the dough with other ingredients well. Therefore, the gluten in the dough gets stretched even more.
This twin twist mixer is made of stainless steel with a closed cover design. Users don't need to worry about danger or flying dust while mixing. It complies with food safety regulations. CHANMAG focuses on functionality, food safety, and environmental protection. It also helps the customers manage cost and quality. Companies that produce bread need automation control to lower their cost and bring better quality. We automated customers' equipment, improved efficiency, cut labor costs, and saved money to stabilize the quality of products. We automated the process and management of raw materials, equipment, production, and hygiene to assist companies.
As for the quality and cost of machines, we have the same quality as Western countries, but with 50% to 70% cheaper prices. This will help investors to cut costs.
Machine automation, functionality, food safety, quality, cost, and efficiency are what we focus on. Moreover, customized design based on customers' needs and international food safety certification have brought CHANMAG service to 5 continents and 75 countries. We will maintain our professionalism, innovation, integrity, and dedicated service to provide more high-quality bakery machines.
Our next step is to connect our machines with apps and control them instantly and wirelessly. We're also trying to use AI to conduct more efficient management.
Our goal is to sell our products in 101 countries, including automated devices with AI technology to satisfy customers' needs. The total value of the global baking industry in 2023 is close to $2.5 trillion. With consistent dedication, they will definitely make great achievements this year.